All right, welcome back. Another week. We're in the garage now. It's the off season. We got about 3 weeks to the first event I want to go to this year, which is Grid Live South Carolina. So we're back in the garage and we're grinding. We got to get my car ready for the year. And as you can tell, she got no ass. We done cut the whole ass of the car off. So over the last couple years, I've been driving this car for 8 seasons. Someone hit me in this quarter one time and they were chasing me and cut the line and just drove straight in the back of me. So I pulled it out with a Porta Power. Like you couldn't tell with the overs. In the back, it dripped Appalachia. When I slid off the mountain in the rain, I hit a tree and crunched in this back.
Oh, God damn. Okay, it's ice. I'm stuck. Yeah, we're stuck.
So then we pulled that out and it was never as straight as I wanted it again. And then last year, Hyperfest, someone hit this quarter chasing me as well. Just the same deal. Chopped the line pretty much and drove straight into the fucking car. It was time just to just start fresh. I always wanted to do this. I didn't plan on doing this to this car. This car was supposed to be my like street car kind of thing at first. It was SR, stock body. Now it's LS3, wide body. Now it's gonna be fuel cell, rear radiator, tube rear. Part of the game. So what I came up with is I've never done this before, like this kind of build, but I figure I'm not quitting motorsports anytime soon or building cars, so let's get the tools to learn. My dad and I dove head first into this, so let's catch you up to speed on what we did. All right, the old tank's out, my surge tank's out, battery's out, nitrous bottle's out. I pretty much have it prepped. I just have to figure out where I want to cut it now and the shape. So I half-assed drew it with a marker. Fucking done lost the Kelly Blue Book value. We could probably sell it to CarMax still.
Yeah.
Night one, we done cut the whole ass off.
Just some of it. Just a little bit.
All right, day two.
So look. So that's right there straight.
All right, day two on the car. So we cut the majority off last night and called it so we can look at some more photos and make a little bit more of a plan. So we came with that, we're gonna cut the rails now. And then that piece just on there so you know it's straight across so it's the same. And then we're gonna start building out the square tubing section next. All right, so we got the first set done. These are 1.5 inches, and then we stacked them, welded them, so now they're like a double wall, and we capped them also. I have the LFC half-ass mounted. So next we're building the frame. 7 inches off this. I'm gonna try 8 inches out, and then there's gonna be plates here we're gonna weld in, so this is removable. And then we're doing 45 cuts right now, 8 inches. We'll box it in. This back structure, it's already all done. First time we made it, measured, I did everything, and where's the piece at? It's somewhere in here. Anyway, it looks identical to this. I was 1 inch off, so we get it done, and then my dad's like, where's the battery going? I'm like, in there. And we measured it, and it didn't fit, so then we had to restart. It's just part of the game, that's just learning. Where'd that fucking piece go? Doesn't matter. So we remade it. Now the battery goes there and it's upside down, so it's all flush. It looks good. We have the panels kind of just mocked up on there. I'm gonna call it a day. Come back probably this weekend. I don't know. We just got to put the.
Looks amazing, Kyle.
It's mainly. I think it was like another $200, and it came pre-put together and powder coated.
Oh fuck yeah!
All right, we finished the cart and we assembled the machine. Now we just got to go and get some tubes and practice and learn how to use it, because neither one of us knows how to use it yet. The quality's insane though, it looks so good. I saw a lot of channels and a lot of builders online use this Rogue Fabrication one. It's hydraulic. It ran me about, you can pay a little extra. It is a DIY kit, so if you want, you can put it together yourself. Like, it comes as a kit and you weld it together. I think it was like another $200 and it came already all assembled and powder coated. You just got to put in like this, the springs, the die, things like that. It took us like 20 minutes to unbox it and figure out the way it went and put the cart together and put everything, you know. The cart's actually from Harbor Freight. It was on special for like 80 bucks. We notched it right here, and so now when I want to use it, it just rolls around, right? It's super easy. If I want to take it to my other shop, if I want to take it to a friend's shop, all we do is hook it up to air. You push the button and you're going. I really like it. All right, we ran to St. Louis this morning and we grabbed the 1.5 inch for the crash bars and then 1 inch for the fuel cell cage. So I'm gonna get the truck unloaded real quick and then we'll start trying to bend this up on my new bender. All right, so we did the first bend just to kind of see if we knew how to use the machine, because neither one of us have ever done this, and it's both our first time using a tube bender. We just did a 90 real quick. We made it a little bit more than 90. So we just made this first one just so we can kind of use it to eyeball. It's kind of hard to fucking hold it in video. It'll sit a little like that to there. And we took our measurements, so we're gonna have a 90 there. Then I gotta figure out that one. I'm playing fabrication and media at the same time. It's kind of hard. All right, so we're using a 4.5 CLR. The offset's 5 1/4. Before we put this block, I think I already used this one. Wherever we put the block, 5 1/4 past, it's where the bend will start. Never done this. We might fuck it up. Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't know. All right, let's try this one. The machine doesn't go past 90. You have to reset it, like release it, and then repin it instead of there. I think it goes right there, but it'll be down here. So like the RAM has enough to go past 90. So we gotta repin it real quick. So if you wanna go, oh, 1 second, we'll be done. That's it. That's it. It'll be okay. It'll bounce back. All right, so we seem to have it figured out pretty good, at least for these bars. So we went ahead and made spares, just in case I wreck. We have 2 extra sets. So we had the first 2 done, and then we're building the next 2. Then we have 1 more bar to build off the back for like the rear bumper support, like bash bar style. All right, so we got 4 now, identical. So that's pretty good. We got spares and a set for the car. Oh, there's the other one. Not bad. Somehow we didn't make a fuck up. Killed them all. Killed all 4.
Came out.
Everything came out. Now the next bar is gonna be hard. The next bar we might fuck up.
Nah, we're gonna pull that off too.
All right. I bend up 1 more pipe before we're done. So it'll just be here, 2 90s, go across. I think I have it figured out. So I think I put the first block 3 inches at a 90, and I need 24 length to the next one. So we'll minus the 5 1/4, 18 3/4. But I'm also guessing, I don't know. So we'll see if I get it right again. All right, gonna call it a day on this one. We're doing pretty good though. I like it's looking good. Yeah, it's looking good. Neither one of us have any training in this. I just have some photos I took screenshots of on the internet and designs I liked and kind of mashed them together. Everything fits really good. The only bar we had to remake so far was, well, we just did this one today because we were picky, but all the tabs are welded in now. I gotta get some smaller diameter bar. And then we're gonna weld in tabs and then go to there. But I want to use a smaller diameter so this will have like a crush to it. All right, let's get back to the garage. I forgot to shoot an outro clip on this video. I'm working on episode 2 right now. So I'm just gonna cut this one right here. If you're not subscribed to Vision TV, then fuck you. I'll see you next week.